Want to give your Cisco Webex meetings a cleaner or more professional look? Whether you'd like to blur your surroundings or use a custom virtual background, Webex makes it easy to personalize your appearance. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your background in Cisco Webex. So yeah, let's get started. First, sign in to your Cisco Webex account and either join a meeting or start a new one. Before entering the meeting, you'll see a preview window where you can adjust your camera and background settings. Next, click the Change Background, Background Effects, or similar option located near the camera preview. Depending on your version of Webex, the wording and location may vary slightly. This is where you'll find all of your available background options. You can choose Blur to hide your surroundings while keeping yourself in focus, or select one of Webex's built-in virtual backgrounds. If your version supports it, you can also upload your own custom image for a more personalized look. A clean background helps reduce distractions during meetings. Once you've selected the background you want, click Apply or simply confirm your selection, depending on your device. Your preview will update immediately, allowing you to see how everything looks before joining the meeting. It's always a good idea to double-check your appearance before everyone sees you. If you're already in a meeting, you can still change your background. Open the camera or video settings from the meeting controls, select Background Effects, and choose a new background without leaving the meeting. And that's how to change your background in Cisco Webex in 2026. Whether you prefer a subtle blur or a custom virtual background, it's a simple way to make your meetings look more polished. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.